double click on Breevy to get it started. And this tutorial will show how to make basic abbreviations in the Breevy software. Now we're using a trial version, so we have to get rid of the enter license key box. All that's necessary is to click on the continue trial button at the bottom. And there we are shown some example abbreviations that come with the software when you download it. Now these are really cool, lots of fun to play with, but they're kind of beyond the scope of what we're doing here now, so I would recommend we just click on the All Abbreviations /Folders folder and create a new folder. To do that, click the right mouse button, or right click as we say on the mouse, and then you can pick either new folder or new subfolder. I'll go with subfolder and type in something meaningful. WA1 works for me. That stands for writing assignment number 1, and then every abbreviation that gets created in this folder will be specific to writing assignment number 1. Okay, so to create the new abbreviation, just click on the new abbreviation button, and we have a few things to fill out now. So the first thing is to come up with an abbreviation, and one that you might use if the student maybe has a problem with a title. You could say T1 for a perfect title, T2 for a so-so title, and T3 for a title that just needs a lot of work. So for a so-so title, I'm going to say T2, and then go over to the right hand side where it has these 3 options to pick from, and I always just go with case insensitive. You can play around with the other options if you'd like, but my default is just case insensitive. And for a title that has some problem with words that should be in uppercase, you might type in something like oh, this is a good title, but the first letter of every important word needs to be in uppercase. And then you might put an example right after that so the student knows exactly what you mean by important and unimportant words. Anyway, there is a replacement text that's ready to go, and I'm just manually spell checking it right now because Breevy does not come with an actual spell checker. So you either have to do it the old-fashioned way by checking the words manually, or you can copy and paste the words from Microsoft Word or any other good word processor that has done the spell checking for you, and they'll just paste right into this field without any problem. Anyway, that is our replacement text, and there's the case insensitive setting. There's only one more thing that needs to be done, and that is to change this replace typed abbreviation immediately. That's kind of a dangerous setting. I mean, it won't hurt anything on your computer, but sometimes it can input a bunch of text that you don't want, for at just the wrong time. So I always, like 90% of my abbreviations are just set on to come on or be generated after the trigger key is pressed. Okay, so just click on like that, and then press apply, and the first abbreviation is done. Okay. Let's do one more. Click on new abbreviation, and let's see, another common problem might be something like family name missing from the heading. So I'm going to put FN for family name and go over to the right and put it onto case insensitive, then type in some kind of replacement text. Use both the family name and the given name for names. Let's say for any names. You put in your heading. Okay, use both the family name and the given name for any names you put in your heading. Alright, and you could put examples after that too if you wanted. So we have the abbreviation, the setting for case, and we have the replacement text. Once again, we'll just change this setting here from immediately to after the trigger key is pressed. Okay, and I think that's good to go, so we'll press apply there, and that's it. We have now input 2 abbreviations into Breevy, and the next thing to do is actually use Breevy on a document.